Hi everyone, this is Jenna's DIY Studio. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, we are doing a crochet unicorn owl. This is a video series that we're doing. So today what we're gonna do is fill up the Amigurumi owl with polyester feel. And this one is Buffalo Snow. I found it on Michael's, a big bag. And let's get started. For this one you will need this and your crochet hook, your owl, and remember we didn't finish it on the body tutorial because now is when you're gonna finish the whole thing. Not the whole thing, I'm talking about only the body. This is where we close the body of the owl. And scissors for the end of that yarn. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Remember that we finished everything from the beak and the eyes. Now we're going to put all the stuffing in. And remember, some of you will love your owl to be soft and squishy. Some of you will love it hard. It all depends on your choice and what do you like. In my case, I like it kind of fluffy, so I'm not gonna put like a lot because I want it to be squishy. And I think with the amount that I put, it's okay, because remember here it's gonna go like this. Now when you're finished with the eyes and the beak, make sure that when you fold in half, this is in the center, and then this part, when you start closing it, what we're gonna do is do single crochet, but putting them together like this one. I want it to be here, the half, and as you see, this one is here. So be sure that it's not way over here or way back. So if you need to do more stitches, just get to the corner, and if you need to fasten off some, just remember to go to the corner, okay? Because we want our owl to be, symmetric. Okay, now what you're gonna do is simple crochet until the end. What I do is, next stitch and the next on the other row, you pull it from the 2 rows and do a single crochet. You just pull through, and then we keep on going. See, on the first row, this row on the back, and we do another single crochet, and we go until the end. And as you see here, I'm pushing my stuffing inside because we're closing the project and we don't want it to be out. And if you feel that it needs more, just put more. It all depends on your preference. Okay. Here, and here is halfway done. And as you see, it now is getting the form. And as you see, it's only single crochets. Let me get some more here. Now, while I finish, let me tell you, we are almost done. Now the next step is gonna be attaching the horn, the unicorn horn, and after that the flowers. Now, one thing that is optional if you want to is the hair that has on the ears. Let me finish this last 2 so I can show you what I'm talking about. See, this one is the last one, this 2, and you just like chain 1 and you just cut the yarn. Cut the yarn and you just hide it. Okay? You just grab your tapestry needle, or like I love a other hook, smaller, and just pull it and leave it inside. And that's it. See, it's finished. Okay, now this part of the owl, this hair is optional, but I'm gonna leave the video there too so that you know how to do the hairs if you won't decide to put some hair on it. Okay, as you see, this one is completed. Next step is the horn and then the flowers. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like I said, the bell. Leave your comments below, any questions. Thanks for your support. Remember to share, and see you on the next one. Bye.